If you raise sourcing attachments for your market, stable supply, consistent quality, and room for margin, where do you look? At Ray, you can see it all. Our own factory, The Welds. The quality checks. We're the manufacturer, not the trading company. From cutting to CNC machining, welding to the assembly, whole process under one roof. Our production line keeps a steady flow. Lead time confirmed per order. Disciplined workshop management, safety lines, protective guards, clear specs at every station. Step-by-step quality control, checked before it's packed. Multiple attachment lines, buckets, grapples, breakers, and more. In-house parts and castings, stocked and ready. For OEM brands and distributors, we build to your spec, your logo, your standards. Factory a direct from Rate DM or WhatsApp to start the conversation. More than durable. That's Ray.